Sagar, and today I am here to answer all your questions regarding modeling. First of all, I would like to thank Pune Models for having me, and I think it is a very genuine initiative that has been taken by the team. Family problems. I am very privileged. I feel very privileged that I have a family who is very open-minded and who never questioned me doing modeling. But yes, there are families, orthodox families, or somebody who do not have a very open mindset. Then you have to deal with it, and you have to deal with it like very nicely, because changing somebody's mentality is not easy. How somebody thinks, changing that is not at all easy. So yeah, that factor has to be considered. Your family thing has to be considered. Foremost thing when you enter modeling is you need to stop comparing yourself with 10 different people with 10 different ideas and all that, because when you go for an audition, you will meet so many people with so much of talent, with so much of dedication to get into the field and all that, and then you will eventually lose your morale. That shouldn't be the case. Somebody you look upon should inspire you and not demotivate you. I mean, if you work that way, then only things are going to fall in place. Things that somebody who wants to get into this field has to know that this field is not at all easy. You will get a lot of rejections, everyday rejections, and people will backstab you. But I've also heard people saying ये field इतना अच्छा नहीं है and all that. But my personal experience says that I've met the most amazing people in my life in this field. I have no worries about it. It's up to you. It's your perspective, how you deal with things. So I would say, why not? If something that is making us happy, why not? And I never did it for the earning purpose. I never did it. I did it because I love doing it. Yeah, one thing I would like to say is don't fall prey to there are a lot of fake things happening around, fake pageants, and they charge a lot of grooming fees. So you have to make sure that the pageant that you are going to do is genuine. It is going to give you a proper exposure in the field. That is it, because at the end of the day, your hard work and you are going to matter. And talk about failure. Failure is something that is going to be there. That is always going to be there. Talking about my thing, the very first pageant that I did not win the show, and I was quite depressed. It was in my mind that I did not win the show. Where did I lack and all that? So the second show I did won the second show. But when I look back today, it's like, it's just like, okay, if I wouldn't have lost the first one, I might have not won the second one. So it's just about being grateful for what you have. No, the size does not matter. There's this thing called plus size model. No, it does not matter. How will it matter? Why would it matter? I think it is high time that people stop judging other people by their profession and start introspecting themselves, because I think every field deserves equal respect. Commenting on somebody else's field, you need to realize what kind of hard work and persistence has been there for them to reach here where they are today. Falling together forever. So let's jump to the main part, that is how to join modeling. So there are 3 different ways where you can do that. First is the workshop, where you can gain a lot of knowledge. Second is you can do a pageant. A pageant is a beauty contest. And third is an agency. So for agency, you might require a portfolio to be done. A portfolio is a set of pictures, professional pictures with your experience and achievements. Good looks, I won't deny, but if I am personally speaking, if I am on the judge panel and I'm judging somebody, I would first judge him or her by his personality and his body language. Then I would go for looks and all that, because at the end, you can always do makeovers and all that, but you can never inbuild a personality or a quality in it. It all comes from experience. So I think that should be, personally speaking, that should be the priority. So I've seen a lot of people saying, modeling matlab छोटे कपड़े पहनना होता है and all that. It's just about looking pretty. It's just so easy. I would say no. It's not like that. It's definitely not like that, because it involves a lot of hard work. It involves a lot of commitment of time and everything. So I think it is so much more than just looking pretty, and it is not about wearing small clothes. Rather judge somebody first with their with their body language, their personality, the way they speak, how good they are at the speaking, and after all that I would come for the looks thing if I am on the judge panel, personally speaking. So talking about height, so there's this thing called requirement. Okay, so I mean, if you go for pageants like Miss India, they have a height criteria of what, 5'6", 5'7". So there you are not eligible. Someone who is 5'5" is not eligible for Miss India. But that does not mean that he or she cannot do anything else. I mean, there's so many things that he or she can do. I mean, I have friends who are 5'5", 5'4", and are doing really, really well. So I would say that somebody who's tall has an advantage over somebody who's not, but that does not mean that short people cannot enter modeling. That's completely a myth. I hope I have answered almost all of your questions. If you have any query, do let us know in the comment section. The team will make sure that the queries are answered.